Okay.
So first thing to do is go on top of the log.
Okay.
And you can look at the two line is the side of the cut.
Okay.
And
Down. Oh, and you got two lines. You capture that black part right in the middle.
yeah, right in the middle.
Okay.
But right now, just for
Yeah, I keep so you don't have to.
cut everything, so we can do this.
Okay.
So
1 inch plank maybe, or.
yeah, so that was a one-step go I just did. Okay, this is the brake is on right now.
Okay.
The belt is on. So I start the engine, and then after that, we can do that. This is if you go in front. You see, you're gonna move this.
Okay.
You always want to be close to the log.
Oh, yeah, as close as possible.
Yeah.
Keep it supported.
Yeah, and less vibration, because if you're too long, like you will vibrate.
Yep. Sure. Okay.
Like this,
Sure.
roughly like this.
All right.
Can log that over here.
Like that.
What do you have to do for regular maintenance, like on the saw head? Is there anything other than cleaning?
No, just cleaning.
Okay.
You have also like just some greasing point over here,
Okay.
and on the post, a few on the post on both sides, and that's it. So right now you can see the belt is loose
Okay.
and the brake is on, and the liquid just don't leak. But at one action, it will remove the brake,
Okay.
tighten the belt, and the liquid start, and the engine will go up in speed.
All right.
Always want to try to adjust this closer to the log. So if you go over here, you want to lock that. Adjust that. Place.
Now, is the water gravity fed, or is
yeah,
that
gravity. Yeah.
okay?
So right now it's stalled, but if I start the engine, it will start to.
Okay.